A big move today from the nation's top doctor. The U.S. Surgeon General declared gun violence a public health crisis. According to the gun safety group Everytown, more than 4,000 children and teens are shot and killed every year. CBS's Megan Hickey reports tonight from Chicago, one of the American cities plagued by shootings.
Just this past weekend, 8 people were killed and 23 wounded in Chicago. Nationwide, the gun violence statistics are alarming. Firearms overtook car accidents as the leading cause of death among children and adolescents in 2020. Sherry Nolan's son, Akeem, was killed 3 years ago. He was shot at least 3 times.
He was a great son, and I know a lot of people say that about their children, but he was the baby boy of 3, and he was our jokester.
The Surgeon General today issuing a first-of-its-kind advisory targeting gun violence as a public health threat.
My hope is that if we understand this as a kids issue, that we will raise it on the priority list, that we will see it not as a political issue, but as a public health issue that should concern all of us.
The 40-page document calls for banning assault weapons for civilian use, universal background checks, and requiring safe and secure storage for firearms that doctors would ask about during routine checkups. But the measures have little chance of passing in Congress, where Second Amendment advocates oppose gun control efforts.
States across the country that have the strictest gun control laws, including safe storage laws and laws, still see skyrocketing homicide and murder and gun violence rates.
Sherry Nolan says she already knew there was a gun crisis and is hoping for a change.
Most of the individuals that commit murders, it's not their first time. Kind of like my son's murderer, it wasn't his first time.
2 years ago, Congress passed bipartisan safety legislation following the mass shooting in Uvalde, Texas. But since then, new gun safety measures have gone nowhere. Norah?
Megan Hickey, thank you so much.